Hi guys, welcome to the Algebra 1 review for summer school. I want to make sure to walk you through your work packets so you know how to use your time most efficiently here. You may not all be part of Group A, but for the purpose of this video, I'm going to explain everything in Group A. You're in a group based on what other work you have to do, so if you only have to do Algebra 1 work for the summer, then you're Group A. But you might be part of a different group if you have to balance algebra and bio or algebra and English. So this is your calendar for the next 2 weeks. Take a look at that. Whenever it says Category 1 videos, Category 2 videos, whenever it says videos, that's referring to the front page up here. And on the side of your packet, it'll say Day 1, Category 1, Day 2, Category 2. So it'll tell you which videos you should be watching. But you are watching the intro video right now, so when you finish watching it, you can check it off. Mr. Davis or Mr. Lin will be monitoring your progress as you're checking off videos. And then you're going to start watching videos 4, 9, 15, 19, etc. And you're watching this on this website, tinyurl.com/KHHS algebra review. Take that, put it in, and it's going to take you to this YouTube channel. In this YouTube channel, if you'll go here, this has every single question except for one from the Algebra 1 release test. So it's an instructional video that walks you through how to do every one of these problems. So as you're watching the video, you're going to be going through this work packet and filling out the test as you're watching. This is your notes. So everything you hear me say in the videos, everything you hear me write, you should be working alongside as well. Pause, rewind as you need. This is basically going to take you through the entire test of an EOC. So that's what the first task means. Whenever it says videos, it means you're completing all the videos that are listed here for each day, and you're getting the videos from here. So that's the first piece. The second piece is after you finish watching all the videos for that day. So let's say you're going through day 1, which is today, and you finish watching 4, 9, 15, 19, 28, 35, 44, and 54. When you finish that, the second task that you'll be doing is the Category 1 work packet. So this is a separate packet. These questions are all from another released test. So these questions will look very similar to the video problems that you just watched. So after you watch all the videos, then you're going to try practice problems by yourselves, and that packet should look very similar to the problems you just worked on. The last thing that you'll do is, if you have extra time, you'll be working on the IXL skill practice. Many of you guys are already familiar with IXL, but if you're not, here are your instructions on how to log on. So you go to IXL.com, your username, you type in your first name, and then your last name, and then a number 755. So for example, Kevin Flores would type in Kevin Flores 755. That's his username. All your passwords are summer. And then you go to Algebra 1 skills, and then you're going to work specifically on the skills based on your calendar. So Q1, Q4, Q9, Q11, those skills are related to Category 1 problems. So you're only working on the skills related to your category. As you're working on the skills, you don't need to get 100 on each of those skills. You're only going for 70 points. If you can get 70 points, you have a strong mastery of that skill. Move on to the next skill so you can make sure to get as much practice as possible. So one more time. There are 3 things that you'll be doing. The first thing you'll be doing is you'll be watching all the category videos for that day. And on the side of your packet, it'll list what day and what work you're doing. Remember that as you're watching those videos, you're filling out the work and the notes on your own packet. This is for you to take notes on. It's for you to make sure that you're learning. If your calendar tells you to work on category 1 work packet, then you're going to try similar types of problems on a separate work packet based on that category's work. Finally, if your calendar says iExcel skill practice, because every student has a different work calendar, then you'll also complete these specific skills, and these skills are based on the category work for that day. So again, you're going to be in one of 3 groups, and each of these groups has different tasks to complete, Group A, Group B, and Group C. So make sure that you follow your specific calendar and you know which ones you'll be doing. It's really, really important that you are on track. Monday through Friday of this week, you get 4th of July off next Monday, but when you come back on Tuesday, you're going to be taking a benchmark of categories 1 through 3, which is essentially the work from day 1 to day 5. So before you take the benchmark for category 1 to 3, you want to make sure that you're ready to go after having practiced everything from 1 through 3.